I'm Paul Soderdahl. I'm the Associate University Librarian at the University of Iowa Libraries. So University of Iowa was one of the first customers in North America. We went live in Aleph in 2000. We also were an early customer of Primo, one of the charter customers, and have quite a bit of experience with both products. When the opportunity came to move to Alma, it was a natural next generation system, next generation migration for us to take advantage of new functions, new features in the workflows, and still keep the Primo discovery interface. Our move to Alma allowed us to create what I would describe as sort of a next generation consortium with Alma, with the way the cloud hosted environment, the way that Primo provides the discovery interface. We were able to take advantage of this past year, this time, to work together with about 8 other colleges and universities in the state, and I think accomplish the same end results of what feels more like a seamless catalog, direct borrow requests, ability to check out materials, but without having the long history of a merged platform. One of the things that for us has been a nice fit of the Ex Libris ecosystem into our environment, I think, has been the Ex Libris approach and the recognition, the trust that Ex Libris has in the user community. And so for us, I think there are some features that we've certainly taken advantage of. I would also characterize a lot of features that I think we've helped introduce into the product. To be able to feed those ideas back into the user community and have Ex Libris pick those up and then fold them back into the product. For me, that's a perfect example of how the community and the company feed off of each other. I think Ex Libris has been a good match for our university, a good match in terms of both in terms of meeting the needs of our students and faculty, and also a good match for our own institutions, guiding principles and core values. We're very committed to open standards, open architecture, and full careful adoption of open standards as a way to keep the ownership of our data. And so for us, the Ex Libris ecosystem has been a very good fit because those are the same values that Ex Libris applies to its own product development. There are a few things we're looking forward to. We're currently in the process of doing RDA enhancement to our records and trying to make sure our local resources are well suited for playing in being part of the semantic web, to be able to take advantage of good data, of the solid architecture, so that, for example, our users can search our catalog in Google and kind of build bridges across the data sets in a way that we've never could before. Another feature that we have not really looked at yet, but I know is on the horizon, is the Primo Open Development Framework that would allow us to take advantage of all the APIs and the tools. And so in particular, one of the areas that I'm interested in is how can we leverage the rich data that we have in, for example, in our music catalog to be able to provide a better, more intuitive user interface for a music school student who has a kind of approaches a library, the music library catalog, the very different frame of mind with sort of different goals in mind.